If you have a house in Delaware, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been buying homes in Delaware, Ohio. We buy a home in Delaware, Ohio. We make it extremely easy because we're a true cash buyer. And we're buying your Delaware home in its as-is condition. So let me explain what that means. When we're buying a Delaware home in its as-is condition, that means you, the seller, you don't have to do anything. You never need to swing a hammer, you never need to clean or run a broom across the floor, and you don't even need to haul anything away. In fact, a conversation typically goes something like, you can take anything that you want out of the house, any personal belongings, anything that you don't want, you simply could leave behind. You don't need to haul anything away. We truly purchase Delaware homes in their as-is condition. Another thing that makes it extremely easy for you to sell your Delaware, Ohio home is we're not relying on a bank, we're not relying on an appraisal or an inspection. We are a true cash buyer. So that means we can operate with your timeline, and this is extremely important, and I believe it's often overlooked. But timing is extremely important for you, for your life, and for your situation. We work with some people who are selling their Delaware, Ohio home, and they need to move quickly. Maybe they're up against some type of timeline. That's perfectly fine. Since we're a cash buyer, we can easily accommodate a fast purchase. Other people need more flexibility, and that's perfectly understandable as well. Maybe they need to find a new place or need help moving out, whatever the case may be. If someone needs flexibility when selling their Delaware, Ohio house, we can provide flexibility as well. So, what it looks like to work with us, you'll get on the phone, call us at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. You'll fill out a simple form, and then we'll get on the phone from there. But it's a very simple conversation. We just need to get to know more about the property and about the situation and about any timelines that you're currently working with. And we're going to make you a cash offer on your Delaware, Ohio house right there on the spot. If our offer works for you, great. We absolutely will move forward. You're going to love working with us. It'll be very clear communication the entire time. If our offer does not work for you, that's okay too. No pressure, no sales tactics or fake urgency, no gimmicks. We simply can shake hands, part as friends, and at least now you know what your options are. So if you have a house in Delaware, Ohio that you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, pick up the phone and give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We've been doing this a long time. We have hundreds of references and testimonials. I know for sure we're going to be able to help you as well. My name is Dave Perchin, and I look forward to working with you.